Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a shortcut for email templates in your Outlook ribbon menu. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab and then select Options, select Customize Ribbon, select New Group, and then you want to select rename, and then you can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it email templates, and then select OK. In the drop-down field underneath choose commands from, click the drop-down and select all commands, and then you want to scroll down until you find choose form, and then you want to select the add button. It should appear underneath email templates, and then you want to select OK. And now you should see that option up here at the top ribbon bar, choose form, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.